Hello everyone, my name is Card355 and today we're going to be doing a video that's a little bit different. So I thought that I'm going to go through how exactly you go back to go and challenge the secret final boss after you've reached a certain point in Deltarune Chapter 2. So as we can see here, I'm currently in Castletown and I've already beaten the final boss, but I've figured out that the secret boss exists and I haven't fought him yet. So I'm going to be going through the process of how exactly you edit your save file to go back to a point where you're able to challenge that boss. So let's do that, shall we? So if we close the game, we can go into wherever you've installed Deltarune, as we can see here. So I've installed it in my games folder. And we have all these different things, but we don't want to be here. We want to go into our C drive. So we go into our C drive and we open users and then click on whatever your username is. Mine is AskTy. And then in this box here, you want to type app data. Obviously, you capitalize it correctly. So then we click on local and then we click on Deltarune. And this brings up a ton of different save files, as we can see here. So, for example, we can click on this one here. And we can open it with Notepad. And you open it with Notepad and it'll show you a ton of numbers if I don't accidentally close it. So here we can see it has a lot of numbers along the side here. The only number we want to bother out is the one at the very, very bottom, right here. Not this one, the one above it. This number, 166. So 166 is the room value of this certain file. So if you go onto the value of this file, so chapter 2_0 is file 1, chapter 2_1 is file 2, and chapter 2_2 is number 3. So we're going to open file 3 because that's the one we were on previously. As you can see, it's called test. So we can scroll right to the bottom and we can see the room ID is 71. So let's open up Deltarune again and I'll show you what exactly those numbers colorate to. Colorate? Yeah. So we're going to open up Deltarune quickly here. And as we can see here, so file 1 is equal to Queen's Mansion entrance. So that's a save point. These are all save points. So we have Queen's Mansion entrance, and then we have My Castletown, and then My Castletown. So this one at the bottom is the one we want to change. So here on Queen's Mansion entrance, this is a file I've made previously where I've changed the room ID. So let's try and edit it so we can go back to that room in file 3. So as we saw earlier, we had the two files, chapter 2_2 and chapter 2_0. So _0 is the one with the room ID we want to use here. Of course, you might not have these kind of files, but 166, that is the magic number. So we can plug that into this file with Notepad, scroll right to the bottom, change 71 to 166, and then we also want to go into dr.ini and then go to the file which we're on, which is chapter 2_2, which is here. And then we want to change that number to 166. And then we can open up Deltarune once again. Onto chapter 2. And there we go, it's changed to Queen's Mansion entrance. And here we are in the game, we can save over it, and now we can head back and see Spam Tom. So I'm going to show some footage of that now. So on this file, remember I haven't seen Spam Tom yet. There we go. And now we can see Spam Tom. There you go. And now you can talk to him about a deal. You want to be a big shot, how can you be? In the mansion is waiting a heaven-piercing thing, and that's how you fight the secret boss. So you just head where Spamton tells you, and then you have to buy the key gem, which I've already bought. Mansion basement. So now we can go ahead and fight the secret boss. So yeah, that's all you need to do. You need to go into the files, change your room ID to 166, and that should send you right back to the mansion. Right here. And it's useful since the door is there, and you can easily head back to Spamton from this point. So now I could go on to go and fight Spamton and defeat him. So yeah, I am hoping that was helpful for most of you, and yeah, enjoy fighting the secret boss. He is difficult. So yeah, thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!